Well, happy day, everybody. Welcome to some Lightning Link Tiki Fire. Guys, I'm down here in Reno, Peppermill, and normally I would just play Tiki Fire up in Washington, but I can't with this. I'll show you why. Dimes and let's take a look at our progressives, and this is why. Mini is 100, the minor's 500, the major 756, the grand, this is why I have to play it, $24,282. Guys, the grand on Lightning Link is rarely this high. Normally it goes off, 16, 18, maybe 20, but 24,000? Yeah. We're playing it, you guys. We're playing it. Let's get settled back down here. Guys, Tiki has the birdie and other things on it. We're going to Hawaii. My neighbor's machine is hot, you guys. It just keeps hitting and hitting. He's on penny denom and 50 cents, but it just keeps going. I've got my butterfly. Oh my gosh, my brain is not braining today. Butterfly ring, it's all gold, and it's just, I feel like Mariah Carey in this ring, you guys. Dime denomination, let's get our volume all the way up. Lucky $100 bill in there is gonna bring us this grand jackpot. Volume up so we can start our grand partay, you guys. Now, 250 bets have been very nice to it, but we're gonna start with $5. Let's do it to it, you guys. You know we need 6 of these lava balls, or, 3 more. Oh, and then you blocked us. Or 3 of the volcanoes. Once we see it, I'll show it to you guys right there. 3 of those volcanoes to get into the free spins. And in those, the tikis, which are our wild, turn into multipliers, you guys. How's everybody doing today? You guys having a great day? Everybody doing well? Having fun today? I saw the major go by. I hope everybody's doing great. 2 more. I wish everybody was here with me, behind me, cheering us on. Let's get this train on the tracks. 2 more. So we can get into Profitsville and then Prophet City. Or Prophet's Town, and then Prophet City, you guys. The concernment level's getting a little high, though, you guys. It sure is, Ant. We're down to $39, I think. I know, Bigfoot. Hi, everybody. Bigfoot, your lips are looking good today. You must have some burnt bees out in your treehouse. I do. It's very dry out there, but I use a lot of lip balm. Bigfoot, get out of here. Nobody wants to hear about your lip story. Guys, $29? What is happening in here? Come on, gold butterfly ring. You can do this for us. We're in major danger zone, though. Maybe I should have started with a 250 bet. 2 more. We're not even getting teased with 2 volcanoes. Now we got 2 volcanoes. Last spin, you guys. You know what? Look. Oh no, not you, Wheel of Death. You get out of here. Let's try a 250 bet at the end. 2 more. Didn't even help us. Wheel of Death, out of here. I'm getting in the black bag, you guys. All right, we got our 100. It's going in. It's only dimes, right? I think that, yeah, dimes is our highest. That's right. Okay, back to our 5s. 3 more, 2, 1 more. Oh my gosh, those were great fireball numbers. We got high-fived. 2 more. Come on, volcano. My neighbor hit it again, you guys. Again. Oh, we got some pretty lady. We got some sugar mama. 1 more. 2 again. 1 more? I don't know why I said 1 more. I tell you, the spark plugs are not spark. Oh my gosh, that was loud. Come on, butterfly ring, your beautiful gold butterfly. Okay, $7. I think that was our best hit so far. 2 volcanoes again. Now the volcanoes are starting to tease us, you guys. Tiki Fire, don't be such a meanie tortellini to us. Get our choo-choo train on the tracks. Wow. Oh, 4 more. Oh my, a 250, a 250, 100, and you high-fived us. Guys, let's try a couple of 250s here at the end. Maybe we can shake things up a little bit. Oh my gosh. Sugar Mama all the way across, you guys. That's gotta be really good. Bottle brush, 10s all the way. And I don't know if Sugar Mama goes all the way down or not. 105 stomp it dollars, you guys. We're back up to 120. I tell you, our 250 bets sometimes just are incredible. I'm staying with the 250 just for a little while. No, I'm going back to our 5. Oh, one more. Oh, $100 mini. Oh my gosh, I'm getting whiny, you guys. Whiny ants coming out. All right, it's time for a bonus now. We've been put through enough misery. Come on, Tiki Fire. Fire my face. Fire my face. What does that mean, Ant? I don't want to go on fire. I'm full of fur. This is true, Bigfoot. We won't fire your face. Just fire my face with a bonus. No idea what I'm saying, you guys. 4 more. Ay, ay, ay. Our $5 bets are just not working for us. 2 more. And look at those size balls, you guys. Those are massive balls. Ay. Back to our 250. Can we save ourselves? 2 more. Come on, Volcano. 1 more, 1 more. Stop it. We got it. We got it. We got it. Oh my gosh, there are butterflies on here. Whoosh, whoosh. Look at butterfly, butterfly. We got it, you guys. Okay, now calm down, Ant. We need those tikis all the way across. Row, 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 and row. If we got all rows of tiki, guys, calm down. A for Ant Colony. Let's go, you guys. No, we need tiki all the way. All the way. 6 spins. 3 more. We've won $7 so far. Okay, we got some jacks. Now we're up to $9. 4 more. 2 more. Oh, we got it. Stop it. Bonus in the bonus. Bonus in the bonus. Bonus in the bonus. Okay, everybody. Ant, calm down. You know everybody's heard the bonus in the bonus. Let's do it, you guys. Let's get some words. Mini, minors 500. Major 758, you guys. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Do it, Ant. Drop 1 lava ball. Spread the lava. Oh no, last spin. Ant Colony magic with the butterfly. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Let's go. Save us. Anything. No. Darn it. Guys, it's an extra $47. All right, 2 more spins. That was $2. Last spin. Oh, I thought maybe we were gonna get a 3-reeler. We didn't. 250 bet came through again. Guys, $84. He got it again, you guys. It's just amazing. Good job. Congrats. 2 more, 2 more. No, but we got some wilds. 2 more. Oh, and then we get 4 lavas. Come on, spray that lava everywhere. Let's do it. Oh, we got some pretty butterflies. He's playing, what is it? Whatchamacallit? The lava, or the lava. Oh my gosh. Come on, brain. He's playing the, you know, that one. The Welcome to Las Vegas one thing. Not the welcome. You know what I'm saying, you guys. The high stakes. That's it. High stake. Oh, 2 more. Oh, we could have high staked ourselves, you guys. Uh-oh. 2 more. Come on. I want to be those people and get a bonus back to back. This is exciting. Everybody's watching, too. 2 more. Darn ya, Volcano. I'm afraid to go back to our $5. It was such a meanie tortellini to us that yeah, you know? Yeah, you know. Maybe if we can get another bonus, I'll try going back to our $5 when we have a little more juice in our ticket. Stop it! So loud, you guys. I can do that too, like the butterfly. Make fun. You guys, let's let the butterfly do it. Do it! Okay, we need the Tiki Man multiplier all the way, or the bonus in the bonus. Okay, we're up to $8. Not enough dollars, if you ask me. Way not enough dollars. $9. 2 more spins. Okay, we got kings all the way. We got money being thrown out, which is at least $25. Because anytime you get this, it's 10 times your bet. So we know it's at least $25. So if anybody didn't know that, it's 10 times your bet at least. Oh, I'm just letting it add up, you guys. How much is it? 40. 45? 46. Come on, last spin. Extra $1. Guys, $56. We're up to 113. Okay. Now we're in for 2, aren't we? 1 more. I think we're in for 2. I don't think I went off my rocker and went in for 3. Did I? No, I don't think so. I don't know, you guys. You know, when the spark plugs only are working on 1 spark plug out of 3, I'll have to do 1. Stop it! We got it. And really decent balls. 500. No, calm down, Aunt. $50. I wish it was 500. Guys, these are nice lavas. Oh no, don't end us now. 1 ball. Oh, don't do this. Ant Colony Magic for our last spin. Go, Ant, save us with something. Oh my gosh, $1.25. I love you. Okay, keep going, Ant. Oh, I saw a word over there. I think it was the mini. Come on. Drop us 1 now so you don't have to take me to the anxiety spin. Oh gosh, we're in the anxiety spin. I need to be defibrillated. I can't even say the word, you guys. My Bigfoot. Do it. Save us. Save us. Oh my gosh. Thank you, 25 cents. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's go again. Let's go again. Oh my gosh, 50 cents. Oh my gosh. Oh no, this is... Okay, $37. Thank you. 4 spots for $24,000, you guys. 3 spots. Oh my god. Cue the dramatic music, you guys. We love dramatical music. Oh my gosh, it's there. It's not there. 2 more. Last spin. Save us, 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 save us. Go, go! Oh my... Okay, Here we go. Is it our turn for $24,000? Oh, I don't see it. Okay, I got a sip of Bigfoot. My lips don't look like Bigfoot's. Mine are dry. Go, Ann, go! Last spin. Ant colony magic with the butterfly. Go! Darn it! This is a fabtastic bonus, you guys. We got trumpets. We got trumpets. Bam! Bam! Holy smokes. And that's on a 250 bet. I tell ya! All right, let's help it out. 207. Stop it, dollars. We're up to 307 on a 250. Let's keep going. I want to be those people and get it very quick. Oh, two more. Oh, we could have so been those people. So greedy, you guys. So greedy. Two more? No, thank you. Okay, $5. I said I was going to $5 when we had a little more juice in that ticket. 100. Oh, sugar mama. You got blocked. One more. All right, don't just pay us and take it down. We don't like this. We missed butterflies there. I had my butterfly ring on. Two more. Two volcanoes again. Two more. There's that mini. Uh-oh, we've gotten quiet. Oh. Jacks, butterflies, 10s for $28. One more. Yeah, stop it! And now that was so loud. People at the bar are looking at me. They are. Oh, yeah. Love it. Guys, this time it's on $5. Now, we really need to do something here with those multipliers because it could get ginormica, you guys. We could make this bombastic. Come on, butterfly ring. I forgot your name there. No, don't block us with balls. 4 more. That's the second time you blocked us with balls. I don't like ball blockage. Okay, we got bottle brush. Oh, we're up to $30. Okay, I need some Bigfoot. Oh, Bigfoot, you've never tasted so good before. $44. All right, got butterflies there. All right, one more spin here. We're up to $50. Exactly. Oh, sugar mama. 50 is 50, you guys. We're at 296. I want to be those people. 3 more. Ay. I really have a feeling we're going to be those people on $5 bet. I really do. 3 more. Are you serious? Look at all this blockage. My balls are too big. They just blocked the whole thing. Are you kidding me? Hi. 2 more. Let's do it again. Oh my gosh. A high forward that time. 2 more. 1 more, Mom. Stop it! We were those people. No, we weren't those people. We are those people. $2.58. We need to do better than $50. Oh, I pressed it already. Oh my gosh. Oh, no, that's Ginormica. That is Ginormica. Ginormica all the way across. How much is that? Oh my gosh, they're $16, $40, $8, $240. Stop it dollars, you guys. And I think we got it multiple ways. I don't know. Look at it counting so fast. Guys, let's just enjoy this. Let's just enjoy it. I don't like how you're ignoring me. That little butterfly ring is getting more airtime than me, and you know it's in my contract that I get a certain amount of airtime. Oh, Bigfoot. Oh my gosh, you guys. 650. Oh my god. 3 more. Oh my gosh, again. We got butterflies. I can't do the butterfly in the camera or he's going to get upset that I'm giving him more airtime, you guys. $680. Oh my, $689. Oh my gosh, more multipliers. Oh, but they didn't count. Last spin, make it count, make it count. Oh my gosh, those last like 3 spins were dead. 689. Stop it, dollars. Look at our ticket, 948. We are those people, and massively those people. I'm going a little more at $5. I don't know. We may have drained the machine, you guys. Oh, 2 more. Stop it! Oh my. What is happening, Diane from Poltergeist? What is happening? Can we get over $1,000? I don't know. I don't know where we're at. Let's go. Let's take it to the grand and really drain this machine. I saw the mini. Oh, I saw the minor. Oh, that was $20. I saw another progressive go by. I saw the mini again. Just keep landing them. Take us to the very end, please. Come on, Tiki Fire. I saw the minor again. Oh my gosh, last spin. Butterfly, ant colony magic. You know, I could press charges. What does press charges mean? Well, I don't know. I can hold you accountable for all this airtime thing. Guys, last spin. Let's do it. Let's do it. Save us, Ant. Save us. I saw all these progressives go by. Darn it. Oh my gosh, I have to back way up. I had to scoot my booty back. An even $100, you guys. What is happening? I can't with this. I love it. There was. Oh yeah. Yeah. What is that place where you guys, 100. Stop it, dollars. Look at, we're at $1,039. Can we keep this trend going up? Tiki Fire has never been this. 2 more. Oh my gosh. 3 more. Stop it. What is happening? Oh my gosh, 100. These are huge. These are huge cojones. Guys, Let's go. We are so those people. Come on, grand. Let's finish it up with the grand, you guys. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh, come on, Ant. No. Ant Colony Magic. I can't say anything about you-know-who on my finger. Bigfoot! Save us, Ant. Save us with something. No savage. Oh my gosh, but this is... oh my gosh, we got trumpets! Look at that, starting off with 100, 200, 300. I can't. I just can't. Let's help it out, you guys. 360. I'm saying it again. Stop it dollars. This video is full of stop it moments, you guys. This is what I want all of you to have when you go to the casino. Just a full stop it moments when you're at the casino. $1,389. Now, if we're in for 2, it's incredible. If we're in for 3, we're up $1,000. Now, I'm gonna ask again. Can we be those people? 2 more. Oh my gosh. Come on, Ant. 4 more. Oh, I can't. It's right there. You guys saw it go by. Bottle brush. For $2. $2 is $2. Oh my gosh, a $250 ball. Now this $5 bet is working for us, but is it gonna continue to work for us? All right, some birdies for 6. Oh, I saw that miner go by. Oh, this is so exciting. What a run we're having. Come on, Ant, don't end us. Those people are waiting for us. Not those people, but those people. $5. Uh-oh. 2 more. Come on. So 1 more. And a finale $250 bet. And we're done, you guys. I'm done. You know, Tiki Fire can go hot. Tiki Fire can go cold. I'm cashing it at $1,300. That was an amazing, phenomenal, F-E-E nominal run on Tiki Fire. We didn't get the grand, but we got a grand. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Until we meet again on the next video, you guys take care of yourselves. You know I love you. Love you. Love you lots. I can't say it. It's, yeah, okay. You better not say it, Ant. I love everybody very much. Oh, my ticket. My ticket. My ticket. Okay. There it is, you guys. A grand. We didn't get the grand, but we got a grand. Technically 1,300. All right, you guys, until the next video, we'll see you later. Bye, everybody. You guys, we're still here. We're still here. I'm Velcroed to this chair. He is, everybody. It really isn't a pretty sight to see. Bigfoot, you're so mean. And Bigfoot had some words to say. There's another bonus coming, everybody. Is that all, Bigfoot? Yes, that's all. Okay. So we're putting our ticket back in, you guys. When he says another bonus is coming, there's another bonus coming, you guys. So, dime denom, I don't know what to go at, you guys. 250 or 5. Maybe I'll do a toggle. Our volume's still all the way up. Can we continue our grand partay, you guys? Let's do it. 250 and a $5. So you guys can watch down here our toggle. And we'll see what happens. Oh, come on, Ant. You can do this. Bigfoot says there's another bonus. I mean, we are in Profit City on this video. I don't know what's after Profit City, but maybe something, I don't know. Stop it! Oh my gosh, we got it on $5. We got it on $5. Told you, Ant, another bonus is coming. Bigfoot, and it didn't take that much money, like $40. Okay, now, we know how this bonus can go, but can we get another bonus like we did last time? You guys, sorry, Bigfoot, I'm doing the butterfly ring. Let's go, you guys. Multipliers all the way across like last time, or the bonus in the bonus. Let's go, you guys. Uh-oh. Plenty of spins left. We can do this. Oh. I don't know how much that is, you guys. Oh, wait. We got kings all the way and kings all the way. Oh, my gosh. I saw 120 in there. That must be the kings. Oh, my God. We must have gotten 320s. It's adding fast, you guys. Oh, my gosh. Bigfoot? Yeah, Ant. You are my bestie. Thanks, Ant. I'll give you a kiss. Bigfoot, you are so sweet. So sweet. You guys, I even have an iced tea here. And look what my favorite waitress put on it. She put a heart on it for me. It's so sweet. Oh my gosh. Look where we're at. Is it going to hit 500? 500 on the nose. Oh my gosh. We got it again. We got more than $25. How much? $4. Oh, wait, there's a 20 in there. 2 20s. Oh my gosh. Okay, we have one more spin after this. I'm just letting it ring, you guys. I don't want to mess with the mechanics in the machine because you know there's a lot of gears in here. Oh my gosh, another 60? 64. Oh, 4 more. Okay, that was a nothing spin. Unbelievable, you guys. 583. Stop it, dollars. Look at our ticket. 1,849. I can't with this. Guys, we're still toggling. Back to 250. $5. I should just cash out because he called another bonus. Now I'm being a greedy gambler and going. Oh, is that it? No, I couldn't count. I saw that miner go by. And you've got until 1800 to do this. 3 more. Oh my gosh. I can't believe how lucky we have been. I saw the major go by in those free spins. You guys know how hard it is to get those multipliers to show up. $2.50 and a $5. Oh, that would have been amazing. We're done. We're done. $1,801, you guys. Again, thanks for watching. I hope you continue to watch after I said goodbye last time. Thanks to Bigfoot, he got another bonus. You know, I love you lots. You guys have a super fantastic day, and we'll see you on the next video. Cash out $1,801.90. Unbelievable. We added $500 to this ticket thanks to Bigfoot. You guys, Bigfoot is just incredible. Yeah, I know. Bigfoot, you're so amazing. Absolutely amazing. I love you. I love you, Bigfoot. Okay, you guys, we'll see you on the next video. Bye, everybody.